At this point, I think we've all seen the ads for the Always pan, the magical pan that can cook everything. You can fry, saute, braise, steam, and even boil stuff in it, and it's really easy to clean and 100% non-stick. In this video, I'm gonna be testing it for a week, and I will give you guys my honest opinion on whether it's worth the $145 price tag. This pan was gifted to me by the company, but I'm not being paid for this video. You guys are gonna see my completely honest experience and thoughts about the product. So just based on the description of the product online, I really like the fact that it has non-toxic, non-stick ceramic coating made without potentially toxic materials. It also comes with a wooden spatula and a steaming basket in addition to the lid, which is really cool. It's technically dishwasher safe, but it's best that you wash it by hand so it can keep its pristine condition for as long as possible. And for that, they send you this really cute natural sponge to clean it with. It kind of reminds me of a cast iron pan in terms of design, but it's way lighter. I got it in this really pretty spice color, but it also comes in a few other options like lavender, sage, char, and cream. So I tried to use it for the majority of my meals this week, and I used it for the first time on Tuesday to make scrambled eggs. I always use an oil spray when I cook my eggs to give them a little bit more flavor and healthy fats. But I'm also going to show you how I fry an egg in the pan without any oil so we can really test the non-stick coating. It did a very good job frying my eggs, pretty much like a regular normal pan, but nothing was sticking to it, like even for a second. It was also really easy to clean. I basically just rinsed it off with warm water and wiped it off, and it was like new. On the next day, I decided to make avocado toast, and I fried my egg without any oil to test out how non-stick the pan really is. And it did work. The egg did not stick at all. It was fried really evenly, and it was, again, like super easy to take out of the pan. For dinner on Tuesday, I decided to have something like a rice bowl with Brussels sprouts and chicken thighs. I first made the chicken in the pan, and I was really impressed with how evenly and how fast it cooked. I'm not sure if I'm imagining things, but I feel like it performed better than my regular pan. It also browned my Brussels sprouts really nicely, just the way I like them. And I paired the chicken and the Brussels with this really cool rice alternative. I don't know if you guys have heard of it or tried it, but it's made of vegetables and it has 10 grams of protein, so it's really cool. I love it. Everything's cooked really well. The next meal that I made in the pan was another breakfast option. I don't know if you guys have tried that, but it's something like a low-carb version of a breakfast sandwich or a breakfast wrap. It has scrambled eggs that are fried like an omelet, cheese, and you cover all that with a low-carb tortilla and some sandwich meat. I use turkey and ham. I'm always really scared when I flip it because omelets tend to stick to my pan sometimes, but I had zero issues with the Always pan, like it flipped super easily. And the end result looked really great. For my next meal in the Always pan, I decided to make spaghetti, and I decided to try these really weird edamame spaghetti that I saw at Costco.
not my favorite.
So yeah, these were not great, but the pan has nothing to do with it. Obviously, like it did its job. It cooked them properly, and it was again really easy to use as a pot. Actually, my husband really hated these, so we decided to make some mac and cheese as well. And again, I decided to use the Always pan. Now, another thing that I wanted to make was steamed vegetables, so I got these green beans to try. Okay, it's been 5 minutes. These look really good. I think they look like they're ready. I will probably have to try one to see. Yeah, these are done and super tender, really delicious. The pan did a great job. Okay guys, so my final thoughts. I love this pan, like I really love it. The first time when I saw this pan online, I was kind of like iffy about the price because I consider that pretty expensive for a pan, but it's really multifunctional and it does everything that it says it will do, and it does it really well. It is also truly non-stick, and I'm really impressed by that. I've had non-stick pans before, but with this one, just everything glides off it. Like, it's really impressive to me. I think this pan is perfect for people who have small kitchens, or they don't have a ton of storage, or they just don't want to own a million pots and pans for a million different things. It's also really aesthetically pleasing in everything from design to colors to just the overall vibe of the product. I think overall I can say that this is one of my favorite products that I've ever tested on my channel, and this will definitely be my go-to pan from now on. It's really great. I really recommend it. If you guys are interested in getting one for yourself, you can use my link and my discount code that's gonna be posted in the description down below. But if you guys decide to go with this pan, I think you'll be really happy with this purchase. Of course, with any pan, I think it's important to test it over time and see how it performs, say in like 6 months or a year. So I will definitely be updating the description and the pinned comment of this video to let you guys know if I'm still as happy as I am right now with the pan. But for now, I can really say that I really like it. That was it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. That really helps my channel. Make sure you subscribe if you are into healthy lifestyle and wellness content. I post every single week, and I would love to have you guys on my channel. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys!